our top agent, Lisa Sang. So today we will be focusing on how to win multiple offers, right, Lisa? Today there's a big problem in an industry today is that every single house, there's multiple offer on a house. So one of the strategies to win multiple offers is that we're going to help our clients to position you, if you're thinking of buying a home in today's market, to help you win multiple offer. One of the strategies we're gonna turn you into literally a cash buyers, close escrow in 8 days. Put it on the chat below. Do you guys think if you are buying a home in today's market, imagine there are 10, 15, 20 multiple offers, which one do you think the owners of the house are more likely to accept the offers, right? The one that's subject to the sale of their home, the one that's subject to financing, or all cash offer, close escrow in 8 days. So to help me explaining how we're gonna help you to turn you into a cash buyers to win in multiple offers is our selling partner here, Lisa Sang. So Lisa,
yes,
why don't we show everybody how we are helping our VIP buyers clients to win in multiple offers?
okay. Thank you, Rudy, for the introduction. Yes, so I'm going to share my screen to better explain how we are going to help out the buyers to win the offer in current market. Okay, so I will use a real case to explain when will the cash offer program benefit to our buyer. So this is the real individual. She got a conventional approval with $600,000 approval for purchase price pre-approval status. But her situation, she only has 5% down payment. And also she's working hard and to save the down payment to be able to purchase her first home. But in her case, she doesn't have additional savings to cover appraisal difference. And also we tried several times. We already submit several offers, but offer got rejected. So this is the individual, what she's facing previously. Then what are the solution for her situation? There are, maybe we can keep trying submitting offers to see when we can get accepted, or we can look for houses that's within less competition area, put offers on properties that are less competitive. Or we can consider your home sold guarantee cash offer program. So how the program will benefit this client, because when we make offer, we can make cash offer without loan contingency, without appraisal contingency, because it's cash offer. We don't need the financing contingencies on the offer anymore. And usually if seller sees a cash offer, it's 3 times more likely to win the offer. And what's the most appealing to the seller is that it can close in 8 days. That means the seller, the owner, can receive all the funds in 8 days. So how it works, here's the flow chart. First, you will apply the cash offer program with us. And you will it will take maybe 20 minutes for you to enter your information, to provide your information, your basic income information. Then within 1 day, 24 hours, we can review this document. We will underwrite, and you will be able to know your eligibility, to see if you are approved for a loan. Then once you got approval from the loan company, then this is when you can start to find your home. Once you find your perfect home, you want to make an offer, then you will let us know that you want to make an offer on that property. And then we will evaluate together to see how much the max offer price this program can help you use cash to purchase this home. And then if we determine an agreed amount on the offer price, you will have a cash offer agreement between us. Then after that, we will be writing an offer on behalf of you, and then we will submit an offer and to purchase the home, to reserve the home for you. And so we are here already. You see, it's just the day 3 because it can happen so in a short time. Day 2, you already received a pre-approval letter, you go shop for a home, and day 3, once our offer is accepted, because we are a cash buyer, then the next step is that you will sign a purchase agreement option with us. Then you will basically you would like deposit 5% of the purchase price into the escrow, and then in the 8 days we will be able to close that, and the house is ours. I mean the cash offer programs. Then that's when we will resell the home to you, and this is when it will only take like 21 days, 25 days, and by the 30 day, this house will be bought back to you. So this is how we are going to help you to use cash to buy the home for you first, to reserve for you. Then after 8 days, we will resell the home to you. It's a little complicated, but once we are in the process, you will be guided step by step. But the basic is just that we are using the cash to buy the home for you, to reserve for you. And of course, we need to like you need to be qualified first. Okay, so this is just another chart to let you know more about how the program will work. So there will be 2 transactions. The first one is the seller sells the home to our cash program, and the transaction 2 is we will resell the house to you. Okay, so the first transaction, it's cash offer. So there's no loan contingency, no appraisal contingency. There will be home inspection, and then you will be part of this transaction. You will inspect the home until you feel safe. Then we will going to close this transaction in 8 days. Then the house becomes ours. We reserve for you. That's when we will sell it to you, and it can be closed in 21 days or sometimes 25 days. Sometimes it can be sooner, like 14 days. During this transaction too, your loan will be processed, and there will be appraisal process as well. Home inspection already done by the transaction 1. So during the transaction 2, it can be closed in 21 days. So that means total maybe during 30 and 33 days, the house is yours. Okay, so that's pretty much it.
The biggest benefit here, Lisa, is that when you are thinking of buying a home in today's market, the bottom line is that now you position yourself as the cash buyer, right?
Correct.
Regardless who you are, right? Regardless whether you put 5% down, 10% down, 20% down, we are positioning you as the cash buyer. So that's step number 1, right? So now we combine the fact that we're going to position you as the cash buyers, and then we combine that with the fact that here in our team, for our VIP buyers clients, Lisa, we give access to homes that's not available online, for example, right? So once you combine these two, can you imagine, you guys, if you are thinking of buying a home in today's market, not only you have access to homes before it becomes available to the general public, now in addition to that, we're going to position you as the cash buyers.
Right.
Right. Is there anything else you want to share, Lisa? Do you have another slide, or this is kind of your last?
Yes. Very short, brief, quick summary. for the cash offer program.
So yeah, so conclusion is this: if you're thinking of buying in today's market, number one, as our VIP buyers clients, we're going to give you access to homes that match your criteria, including homes that's not yet available online. So I give you an example, you guys, homes that's not available online. For example, new homes, new constructions, foreclosures, pre-foreclosure, probate sales, divorce sales, coming soon properties, right? And homes that's previously listed, right? Lisa, have you seen homes that the owner of the house, they tried to sell the house, but they couldn't sell the home, right? So there are many homes that's not available online. So that's number one, access to homes that's not available to the general public. Number two, like Lisa have explained today, we're gonna position you to be a cash buyer. Essentially, we're gonna write an offer, cash, close escrow in 8 days. So Lisa, so if I'm the buyer, I wanna take advantage of these programs, I still have to qualify for the loan upfront, correct?
Correct.
Yeah, so just so you still, I just want to make sure there is no misunderstanding here. You still have to qualify me just like anybody else, right? We're gonna the mortgage company is gonna have to qualify you upfront.
Yes.
If you don't qualify, then you don't qualify, right? But assuming you qualify now, when you submit an offer, you are no longer submitting an offer with 20% down. So can you share that real life example, Lisa? That family, are they buying for them? Do they have to sell, or they're just buying a home only?
They're just buying a home. Yeah, she's works hard and to save down payment. So her situation is she already got approved for traditional program for 600,000, but she only has 5% down payment. So in today's market, 5% versus 20% down payment, even the same price, 5% still looks like less competitive. And she doesn't have additional saving to cover the appraisal difference. So in her case, she needs to keep the appraisal contingency just in case if the appraisal value does not appraise. So in her situation, the cash program is perfect for her to win the offer in multiple offer situation.
Yeah, it's perception, right? It's perception, Lisa, because the sellers or the listing agent, they perceive that when you submit an offer with 5% down, and then if they have multiple offers, the other one is 20% down or 50% down or cash, the perception is that the more down payment you put, the better you are. Yes. Right? So this family has been looking before they come to us, they've been looking for many years, but then they always get stuck, right? Mm-hmm. Especially now the market is hot. So when they come to us, basically they take advantage of these cash offer programs. So now instead of saying, hey, I'm putting 5% down, they say, I'm buying your home all cash, close escrow in 8 days.
Correct.
Right? So put it on the chat below. Do you think, are you more likely or less likely to win in multiple offers if you put all cash, close escrow in 8 days versus 5% down, close escrow in 30 days, 45 days? All right, so everybody put it on the chat below. Thank Lisa for sharing, walking us through the details here on how to position you, regardless how much down payment you put, as long as you can qualify, then we're going to position you as the cash buyers to win. The objective, the whole point of doing all this is to win in multiple offers.
Correct.
Right? Okay, put it on the chat below. Thank Lisa for the time. Top agent Lisa, thank you so much for your time. Make it a great day, everybody. Once again, if you are not familiar yet with your home sold guaranteed realty, you can call Lisa at the office at 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159, or go to our website, www.yourhomesoldguaranteed.com. So next week, here at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty TV show with the co-host Lisa Sang here. What's going on, Lisa, next week? What are we going to be covering next week?
I am planning to cover another program, Sell and Stay. So this is for client who has a house to sell and to have money at hand. But in the meantime, they haven't found another home, another place to live. So they want to stay at their current home. So sell and stay program.
Oh, that's a good one, man. You guys don't want to miss next week, same channel, same time, every Tuesday at 5 o'clock Pacific time, right? So next Tuesday. So this program is really good. How many of you own a house now, right? You own a house and you are buying a new home, but then your new homes is not finished, it's still under construction, for example, until 10 months from now, 12 months from now. So the cool thing about this, you guys, you can take advantage of the appreciating market now, right? So you sell your home today, you get the money today, but you don't have to move. Like you can stay in your home up to 12 months. How cool is that? You sell your home, you don't need to buy a new home, by the way, right, Lisa?
Right.
You don't need to buy. You sell your home and you can stay up to 12 months. So next week, it's going to be good. Don't miss out Tuesday, 5 o'clock Pacific time with our expert here, Lisa Sang. Okay, make it a great day, everybody. Go serve big.